You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these words correctly. Yes, there are two different pronunciations. British English and American pronunciations are different, quite different. Let's hear them. The UK British English pronounces it as ovulatory. Ovulatory. Generally, the O sound for the second O is not pronounced ovulatory. Some may say ovulatory. In American English, however, it's pronounced as ovulatory. R, a more open R sound, ovulatory. Ovulatory, American English, or ovulatory, British English. Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.